Is TikTok taking up too much storage space on your phone? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to clear your TikTok app cache. Now let's get started. TikTok makes it easy to clear your cache by having an option for this right within the app. To clear your cache, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Now tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Under Cache and Cellular, select Clear Cache. After that, your cache should be cleared out and your TikTok app should be using less of your device's storage. Note that if you have multiple accounts, doing this will only clear your cache for the account you're currently using. You'll need to clear your cache separately for each account. That's all it takes to clear your TikTok cache. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.